Wow. Amanda. Yeah. You're welcome. Please have a seat. You're welcome. What do I offer you?
Nothing at all. I'm alright.
Amanda, well, it's fine. I won't push further because I know you will not agree.
Alright, trust me. Fine.
Amanda. Okay, so how have you been?
I've been alright. I've been fine. Thank you.
Amanda, I want you to relax. Calm your nerves. Okay? Look, I don't know what your decision would be, but whatever it is, I promise I will not be upset.
Okay. Okay, Chukwu. You've been so kind to me ever since I met you. You have accorded me respect. Respect that I didn't deserve. I like you so much as a friend. Trust me when I say that. I like you so much. But can't you see the gap? The gap is way too much. And in another life, in another world, I would gladly accept your proposal with both hands. In all honesty. But in this life, my dear, we are worlds apart. You met me. You met me as a prostitute. A low-life prostitute for that matter. And that would always ring a bell whether we like it or not. Even if we try so hard not to allow it come, it will always come. I know it will be a problem between us if we ever have a thing. I've really sat down to think about this. That is why I've come to tell you. You don't see me as an ingrate. I want you to understand me from where I'm coming from. I like you a lot, trust me, but I cannot accept your proposal. I can't accept it. I can't date you. I'm sorry.
We are worlds apart, but I know what I'm feeling deep inside for
I'm sorry.
Amanda, I would say that meeting you was a pleasant coincidence. What I feel for you and what I've asked of you, it's my deliberate heart desire. I have thought about all of these things. I have thought about what people are going to say. I have thought about the society. But I've come to tell myself, I've come to ask myself, and I'm sure this is what I want. I don't care. I don't care what your life has been like before now. I don't give a damn. What counts is what I feel for you. What counts is, are you ready to make that positive change? I know how I met you. And I know who you have been since then.
You've been stalking me?
Well, I don't know if you're going to call that stalking, but truth is that I have been to that spot I met you when you stopped picking my calls. So I was told you rarely come for business.
But whatever, really.
Amanda, can't you see it in my eyes? I love you. I don't care. I don't care what you've been through. What counts is since I met you. What counts is, are you ready to make that positive change and don't go back on it? Who you were is immaterial to me. I love you. Can you stop thinking like that? Look, if I tell you I have been discouraged by friends, they've tried to talk me into staying away from you, but the more they try to do that, the more I love you more. This is a decision I've made to myself. I'm not surprised you're thinking like that, but I'm telling you, I really don't care. I don't care. Now tell me, don't you feel anything for me?
I do feel something for you, but
Kiss me, let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Stop thinking and talking. Let's start the loving right here, right now. Shut up and hold me. Fall in love.
Still wondering why you rushed to wear your clothes.
I don't even know. Okay. What now?
We are officially lovers.
Are you sure? I mean, are you sure you're not carried away by your emotions? What is really going on in your head?
True love flows from the heart and not the head. When the love is genuine, the head has little work to do. A wise lady once told me that.
Yes. But what if the head becomes very active? What if your friends and family finds out about me?
My family and friends, I'm old enough to make my own decisions. I am old enough to call the shot I want. What counts is the love we have for each other. What counts is the ability to stand together to fight any storm that may come our way. Of course, I know people will talk, families will talk, enemies will fight, but the ability to stand together without minding, I love you. That is what matters. I don't care about your past. I don't care what you've been through. I have been through things too.
Your words suits my soul like the cool breeze of the night. I know we may not have met in an ideal place, but I promise you something. I will be that your ideal woman. That kind of woman you've always wanted. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Okechukwu, for loving me against all odds. I love you too.
Thank you too for loving me.
You tell me this, and you tell me that. There's no place for you in my heart. We are worlds apart, but I know what I'm feeling deep inside for you. I don't care what you are, I don't care where you've been. I just want love to begin. Shut up and kiss me. Shut up and kiss me. Let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Stop thinking and talking. Let's start the loving right here, right now. Shut up and hold me. Shut up and hold me. You've said enough. You've said enough. I won't listen to reasons, excuses why we can't be together. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love. Shut up and kiss me. Shut up and kiss me. Let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Stop thinking and talking. Let's start the loving right here, right now. Shut up and hold me. Shut up and hold me. You've said enough. You've said enough. I won't listen to reasons, excuses why we can't be together. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so very much for your kind gestures. We really appreciate it. May God bless you. The last item you brought are still here, and now you're here again. May God bless you more for us. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please manage me the way I am.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah?
The children are here to pray for the visitors.
Oh, that would be nice. Let's go for the prayers. The children are waiting.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Stop! Stop it! What are you saying? Baby, you're not serious, are you? I mean, do people still do this in this 21st century?
Of course. It doesn't happen only in movies. It happens in real life as well.
Are you serious?
As I talk to you now, the girl is still in the guy's house.
This is really funny. What is he going to do now?
No leave, no transfer.
Hey. Well, I don't blame her anyways. She wants a good life, I guess. I mean, who no like better?
Of course. Obviously, the girl has seen that the guy is doing so well, so she doesn't want to leave.
Yeah, right?
Especially when, you have so much... Sorry. So when you have, like, lots of money going... Oh, sorry, my brother. Hello? What's up? Oh, really? Oh, okay. That's fine. When? Okay. No problems. I'll be expecting you then. Okay. Bye. My brother.
The one you told me about?
Yes, he said he's coming back next week.
Whoa. Is he done with his mission abroad?
Oh, yes. Not really. There's a new project that he's coming back for. Then when he's done, he will go back.
Is he going to be staying for long?
No, I think 1 or 2 weeks.
I just hope he likes me.
Of course. He doesn't have a choice. He has to like my baby. And besides, he won't be staying here with us. He will just come visit and, go back to our parents. He likes staying there each time he's back.
Yeah?
You give me joy.
Yeah, I'll give you joy. You give me happiness as well. Give you joy in my heart.
Stop.
Come here. Come here.
Stop.
Come here.
So what next? I mean, what do you intend to achieve with all of this?
One step at a time. This is early days, and I think we are having a good ride so far.
You really amuse me, okay? I swear you do. I mean, up till now, I've not really come to terms with the reason behind all this shenanigan. Come on, boy. What are you playing at?
Shenanigan. Is that what you think of this?
I mean, tell me. How else will I explain the fact that the managing director of Melting Oil and Gas is crazily in love with an ex-sex worker and begging for her love? I mean, can you explain that to me?
Well, if you must know, I'm being honest here. You're my boon companion, right? I love Chimamanda 100%, and she loves me too.
Man, count me out. Count me out on this in case anything goes wrong.
Greg, as expected, I don't need anyone's validation. Before now, I think I know this whole thing is gonna be like this. Chimamanda being a sex worker doesn't make her less of human. I don't know how you people judge things. I love her, that is what counts, and she loves me too. Besides, we all have our pasts, don't we?
Okay, Chuku. Don't you think you're playing with fire? Okay, tell me, how long do you expect to drag this? 1 month? 2 months?
Okay, let me remind you in case you have forgotten. You once dated a pastor's daughter, am I correct? And I could remember vividly that you tagged that relationship the worst relationship you have ever been in.
Whatever.
I could remember how you talked about her. She's an angel, she's this, she's that. What happened? You went to her phone and you saw loads of text messages from different men. Pastor's daughter.
You're trying to justify your actions, right?
I'm not trying to justify any actions here. I'm just trying to remind you what happened. Do you ever believe that pastor's daughter could be like that to you? It's a clear lesson. I'm just trying to tell you, you don't judge a book by its cover. You don't do that.
You know what? Fly your kite.
Well, it is what it is, really.
Fly your kite.
So you don't judge people like that, really.
Stephanie.
Greg, my homeboy.
Like my friend would say, ceteris paribus.
You know?
All things being equal.
All things being equal.
All these Chinese radio. Ah, madam.
Have you seen Ure?
Okay, I don't see her. Okay, I've been saying, me say you want to go get something. I don't know where and go.
And she didn't tell you where she was going?
No, she don't talk. Oh.
That's really unlike her.
Madam, that one no be like Oga Moto.
Go check who that is. Hurry.
How are you? Welcome, sir. How you be this?
Me,
hey, okay. See as you dey shine like auntie's bread. See as you bless say you don't go out for your body.
You've not changed though. You're still cracking me up, eh?
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Is your guy in?
He never come back. He never come back. If you the office or anywhere, I don't know. Hi. Make I open gate for you.
I'll just hold on.
Hi. See your boots.
Hello? Hi. Yes. Okay, you're at the office. I'll be there. All right.
My open gate now.
No. There won't be need for that. I'll come back later. Okay.
Okay. Hi. I'll show you buy something for me.
Of course.
Just
take care of yourself.
Who is that?
Madam. Oga brother. He just come.
Ah, where is he now?
You want open gate for him? He can't say he can't answer one call, come out. Say he will come back later.
He didn't come. He didn't want to come inside.
No. Hi.
Why did he come before the weekend? And then he got here. He didn't want to come inside.
I don't know why you're.
Sorry, I wasn't talking to you, okay? That's fine. If Uri comes back, make sure she sees me, okay?
Okay, madam. Hi. My big brother.
Who do we have here?
My big brother.
The aunt.
Oh, bro. The CEO himself. Happy to see you.
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah.
Let's have a seat.
Thank you.
You see, when I saw your missed call, I said to myself, how come? Because you told me you'd be coming back next week.
Yeah, it was supposed to be next week, but plans changed, you know. My foreign contractors wanted me to sign some contract, you know, so I had to come back because they refused our team over here signing this contract. They needed me to do it myself, so here am I.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Big money moves, man. No, your tap is really flowing.
You can say that again. If I have a tap, then you have an ocean.
Oh, no, calm down.
You know, you've set a lot of standards for me. I'm just trying to meet up the pace, you know.
No, I'm proud of you, kid, bro. Really, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, thank you. You know, I just drove straight to your house and I thought you were going to be at home, so I got your call before I came here, you know.
That means you met her.
Who?
My woman. Or is she not home when you got there?
I wouldn't know. I stopped at the gate when I saw your call, so I just rushed. If I had known, I would have said hi to her. So.
Oh, okay. Check. So that means you meet her next time, huh?
That won't exactly be possible. I already booked a flight to Abuja by 4 p.m. today, so.
Wait, you're traveling again today?
Yes, I'll be going back to Canada. I already concluded the arrangements. I need to be at Abuja so I can fly. You know, Canada, it's like 12 hours, so a lot of traveling and...
Yeah, I get it. Tight schedule.
Yeah, bro. Just life of a hustler, bro.
No, that's good. That's what we're praying for, you know.
Exactly.
That's what we're praying for. Wow. Okay, no problems now. When are you coming back?
Very soon, pretty soon. I won't take long, just some business deal, you know.
The odds. Okay, I hope you still have a few time. We could go for lunch or something.
Why not? Why not? How would I refuse this proposal from you?
Calm down.
You're looking all chubby.
Oh, well, my girl is taking care of me. What do you expect?
I can see.
Okay, just hold on. Let me just send this mail to you.
Sure, bro. Sure.
So we can go. Someone is cashing out greatly.
Oh, money. Oh, money.
Oh, money.
That's
you know?
you right now, though. Oh, money. Okay, money, you know. You're doing fine, bro.
You too. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have you called mom?
I wanted to surprise her as well. So, I'm pretty surprised.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. A lot has changed here.
Yeah, nothing much. Okay. I have to
Oga, welcome.
Yeah, Jide, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Oga, your brother been come the time we know day. But you know enter inside though.
Oh, yes, I know. Thanks for letting me know.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
How was your day today at the office?
Well, it was fun and hectic.
Interesting. I would like to hear about the fun part of it. Tell me about it. Meanwhile, your brother was here earlier today.
Oh, yes. He called me, so I told him to come see me at the office.
Your brother was here, but he didn't come inside. Maybe he doesn't want to see me.
Oh, no, my love, don't say that. You see, actually, when he came, he was about coming inside before I called him to come to the office to see me.
Oh.
Yes.
So why didn't he come here with you then?
Because he got an urgent call that he needs to be in Canada for some meeting like that. So he left for the airport from my office.
Oh, I see.
Don't worry, you'll see him. You'll see him when he comes back. Okay? He's actually a sweet guy.
Like you?
Well, I wouldn't really say like me. I think more than me.
I totally disagree with you, darling, because you are the best. As a matter of fact, no one is close to you when it comes to sweetness.
Wow. So, finally someone accorded me with some compliments, you know?
Oh my goodness. Don't tell me you were expecting that. Your head is big now, right?
Very big.
You come here. You are really sweet. So don't be so excited when I say so, right? Okay, darling, I want you to go in there, have your shower while I set the dining for us.
What did you prepare?
What would you prefer?
Anything sweet from you.
I know what you like.
Come here. Did I ask you to leave?
No. Baby, you've been on your phone since. You're not even talking to me.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm just trying to make a transfer, but the network is bad.
That can wait now. If his network is bad, you let it be. Okay?
Does that the person needs the money now? Okay, fine. Gone. Done. Yeah. Yeah. My love. I've been meaning to ask. You once said that you changed your name to Chimamanda for a reason.
In other words, you want to know about my story now?
Exactly. Everything. Tell me everything I need to know.
Oh, it's quite long, but I have to begin from somewhere.
Exactly.
My growing up was fun. Really fun. My parents were well-to-do. They loved and pampered me so much. They made sure I lacked nothing as a child. They gave me everything I wanted. I mean, I was the only child for 13 years. I mean, that should tell you how much love they showered on me. But as time went on, people became so jealous. Hatred set in from both adults and children. Although I was still living in the dreamland regardless, until the 3rd of July 2010, a day I will always live to regret.
Good day. Anybody at home?
Oh, yeah. I'm coming, no. Coming.
Obiano, why are you crying? Where are your parents? Officer, what happened?
Good day, sir. You must be Mr. Udema.
Yes, I am. What happened? Why is she crying?
Well, Mr. Odewa, what I am about to tell you will be very painful. You have to take heart.
Officer, stop beating about the bush. Please, what happened?
There was an accident that happened on the highway that leads to this village.
Accident?
As we speak, the vehicle involved was badly crushed. 2 persons have been confirmed dead. She is the only survivor. She gave us your address and directed us here.
What? Do you mean to tell me that my brother and his wife is dead?
Yes, sir. Please, you have to come with us to the federal mortuary where the corpses are being deposited. To identify them, sign the necessary documents before they will be released to you.
No, it can't be. This can't be, oh God, oh God. My brother, my only brother. Why me, God? Why? Why?
So this is how my brother-in-law and his wife just died like chicken. Just like that. Right. Hey, okay, but no, some mad. That man was a very kind man. Hey.
You know, I was surprised when I saw 2 policemen with Obianuju in tears. The next thing I heard was that my brother, Obonna, and his wife were involved in a car accident.
Hi, Ojonjo.
I went to the scene. I couldn't believe what my eyes saw. The car was badly crushed.
Terrible.
And an eyewitness account states that the accident was strange.
I knew it. Because this accident is not ordinary at all. Somebody must be behind this. It's too strange.
Of course.
Serious.
Somebody is behind it. That accident was controlled from the spiritual. Their death is not ordinary. And whoever did it is within us. It's not far-fetched. Never. Yes.
No. Are you suggesting that a family member or a relative is responsible for this?
Of course, not some suggesting. I know.
Then who?
Who? Who else? This little witch. Little witch. If she's not a witch, how will she survive such accident? The accident happened. She flew out, killing her parents.
You know, I was wondering how someone could come out from that badly crushed car unharmed.
Oh.
You need to see this car.
Oh.
Could it be that Obianuju killed her parents?
Could it be, or nah, she killed her parents? I know. No problem. You've killed them now. Which? You're looking at us. You never know. Okay? Then you're kissing in our water. Little witch.
Hey. Speak to me. Yay, I can hear you. Evil. I say evil. I command you to speak. Speak.
Can't you hear her? She's talking to you.
I can hear you.
Speak up now.
But uncle, I don't know what you want me to say. I am confused.
Obianuju, you better be. I said you better be.
Pretense!
died in a car accident.
Yes. Yes.
But it was not ordinary. She used them for a sacrifice in her coven.
What did she say?
Speak to me. I can hear you. She is very young, but she is spiritually strong and dangerous. Hey. She was not in the car when the accident happened. Yeah, I can hear you. She disappeared and appeared afterwards to make it look like it's a miracle. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Speak to me. Oh, Jesus, I can hear you.
Obianuju, you heard what the great prophetess said. Speak up now.
No, Uncle. I didn't kill my mom and dad, and I am not in any coven. She's lying against me. Shut up! How dare you? How dare you call me a liar? Do you want to challenge me? Do you know who I am? Odimgbe, say what you've caused. Why did you bring this little rat here to insult me?
I am sorry, prophetess. It will not happen again. I am sorry.
Better, or both of you will face my wrath. Speak to me. I can hear you.
Thank you, great prophetess. What must I do to save myself and my family from her?
Speak to me. I can hear you. Exposing her, weaken her powers a bit. But you must bring her back in 7 days' time for cleansing. Yes.
Thank you.
The cleansing will weaken her spirit. But you must watch her closely. Her parents over-pampering her is the cause of all this. Don't let yourself to fall the same victim.
Thank you, great prophetess. You have just opened my eyes.
Leave! Leave now!
Right.
There you go.
Manangwagi, I told you that I knew that girl is evil. She killed her parents. That girl killed her parents, but nobody believed me when I said it.
That is strange. Very, very strange. I am still in shock. How can that small girl be so wicked to the point of killing her parents? What will she gain from that?
Power, promotion, whatever you like, call it. Call it. And I'm sure this is the ultimate prize, to get promotion and power from her evil kingdom. She sacrificed her parents. If she can do that, then who are we? Anyway,
the prophetess asked that we come in 7 days for cleansing.
9. Better before she sacrifices all of us. 9. I think we should send her out of this house after the cleansing. Eh? Do something about it.
So this is how my brother and his wife lost their lives. It is strange to think that their own daughter killed them. Is a hard pill to swallow. It is very, very strange. What a word. What a mystery.
All I am saying is that I can't live in this house with this witch. I don't want to die the way her parents did. Her parents that she sacrificed the marine kingdom. Mba, I don't want to die. People can take her to another place, but not in this house.
No, I understand your point of view. But we cannot throw her away from her father's compound. Where do you want her to go?
Enokwa, take her to her maternal home now. Forget you
know that her mother is an orphan. Who is she going to meet there?
Yeah, like mother, like daughter. Who knows if it was her mother that killed her parents too? Eh? She wants to come and kill my family and I. She wants to make us the victim here. Nai, remember what the prophetess said, though? Take this girl out of this house.
Victim. You know she won't dare. She did what she did because nobody knew her true identity then. She won't dare it again. If she tries it, I will skin her alive.
Sister, please, if I may come in, I think you should allow her to stay. I mean, she just lost her parents. Eh? And it would be very unfair for you to send her out of her own father's compound. And you know her father was a very good man. Very, very good man. Oh, Pikaduku.
Then take her along with you, no? Take her to the city with you. She can be selling gala and other things in the traffic if her evil mind would allow her.
No, sister, no, that one will not work. I'm very busy. My work will not allow that kind of arrangement. Eh? Okay, sister, see what will happen. Just allow her stay with you for now. Maybe at some point I'll come and pick her up. Just to avoid people's mouth. You know, people talk.
Who cares? I don't care what people will say. When my life and the life of my family members are at stake, how could I don't care? Also what people will say. What is my business what people will say?
No. Let her stay. We will keep an eye on her. She will never try any rubbish again.
Nine. I am accepting this because my sons are in the boarding school. But warn her. Warn her. If anything should happen to my daughter or my sons when they come back from school, I will kill her myself.
Don't worry. Don't worry. She will not try it again. I am here.
Uncle, Auntie, I didn't kill my parents. I am not a witch. I am innocent of all this accusation. God in heaven will bear me witness. I am not a witch.
Come on, get out from this place also. Come on, get out. There's no witch in for God. Do you know God when you kill your parents? Eh? Do you know God when you kill your parents? I'm not a witch. Take her along with you. What kind of work do you do in the city itself? That work will not permit you to take her along with you. Also, take time. Take time. Be a witch here. Be a witch here. Take your time in this house. You see this? Nine happen, Maka. Take her along with you.
Ibu chukwu onye dike. Ibu alpha and omega mo papa.
Good evening, sir. Sir, please, can you help me lift up the firewood on my head?
Can you be able to carry this firewood?
Yes, I can carry it. Just like I can't pick it up.
If you insist, I will help you. But I will advise you to divide it into two because of your health. Huh?
Thank you very much for your concern. But I insist.
I will help you, don't worry. Is it good?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Ibuchukwu onye dị mma. Ibuchukwu onye dị ike papa. Akwa gị bụ Alpha and Omega go. What are you carrying? This small thing. Where did you go to?
I went to gather firewood as instructed.
This small thing. Since morning. Since you told this small thing you came back with, you call it firewood. Where are you coming from? Where did you go?
I didn't go to any other place except the bushes.
If you like, tell me the truth. If you like, don't. I wasn't even expecting you to tell me the truth. Biko, take this thing you call firewood to the backyard and can fetch me water. Okay, now, then go to other places. What are you still doing here? Nothing. Okay, take it. Can fetch me water, go.
I'm hungry.
Is that a greeting?
No, I'm hungry now.
So bad, your food will soon be ready. You know, go. And you? Why are you still standing here? Okay, can fetch me water, go. I want to go fetch water myself.
Brother, honestly, I am enjoying this village.
You are enjoying it.
I don't feel like going back to the city. Yes.
Me too, I don't think I'm going back.
Eh? Are you serious?
I'm not going back.
Oh my God, bro. What a beauty.
You can say that again, bro. Let me talk to her.
I trust you.
Hi. Sorry for blocking your way, okay? I just need your attention. My name is...
I don't care who you are or what your name is. Let me pass.
Whoa, you're being too harsh. Listen, we came back from the city to see our grandparents. Okay, listen, okay? We just want to be friends with you, okay?
As you can see, I'm not interested.
She's not even beautiful.
Don't say that. That girl is beautiful. I know you are angry at her behavior, but that girl, she's very beautiful.
And am I not handsome?
You are, but believe me, we will meet her again. Or better still, there are so many beautiful girls in this village.
My
nigga. My brother. Ijemoke. Come, let's go.
Okay. Red handed. Then we going to oh! One, I slap it. Okay. Hey, come closer. Come. Yeah, grab one of them.
He was actually asking me a question.
Yeah, I was the person that helped her with firewood the other day while she was coming back from the
so what's my business? Can you go to Bassam? So this is why you killed your parents up here? So that you can roam about the village. You can sleep with all these dirty, stinking village boys up here? Hey!
Instead of Mazo Kono,
So I don't need that. I want to be wow there. So this is what you do up here. So bad room. Ona, I cut you the ungwa. Ona. You see you? Hey!
No wonder. This is what this girl has been passing through. All is well.
here to make my family distance, okay? We took you one. What's this? Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Nice. I'm making you.
What is going on? What's going on?
Nine. If this your cousin, I met her in the bush with one of her boyfriends.
What?
Doing what she knows how to do best.